Good morning from this side. It's morning here in Kenya. Yeah, that's where you're watching me from. And guys, it's time here. I am African Princess Milka. Please welcome to my YouTube channel, guys, and always feel welcome. And for everyone who comes back to watch my channel, guys, to watch my videos, I do appreciate so much. Thank you for always coming back. I do appreciate. And today we are making one of the Ugandan breakfast easy recipe. Yes, it's one of the foods that I found so sweet, and they are all over Uganda. They are all over on the streets, in hotels, and also it's one of the easiest thing to make for breakfast. If you love something, and also it's heavy. Maybe when you don't want bread, you can make that. It's so easy to make. And guys, I'll be showing you what I have as ingredients. And today you can see I have my chapati. Yeah, chapati is one of Kenyan dish. Actually, it's not Kenyan. It's all over East Africa. That is, in Uganda you can find chapati. In Tanzania you can find chapati. In Kenya too. So it's an East African dish. Yeah, called chapati. Here I have one, and I have two eggs. I have my tomatoes. I have my capsicum, and I have my onion. So that is what I'll be making. And guys, this I just loved the Rolex cooked in Uganda. It's one of the dishes that really attracted. What can I would say it's one of the dishes that I loved so much. Yes, it's one of the street foods that I love so much. And then another thing that I loved so much was matoke. Yes. You definitely know matoke goes way in hand. Yeah, so let's see, I have my pan already, so I'll just add some cooking oil. I'm going to mix my ingredients. Then I'll add in my eggs. Then I mix. So I'm going to add my egg into my pan. So I'm going to let my egg cook because I love my egg well cooked. Actually, Rolex is chapati, and then eggs mixed with all the spices that you want, but natural spices. That is capsicum, onions, tomatoes. You can add coriander if you want. All depends with what you want to add. But for me, I just want it with, you see, getting ready. So I wanted it to get ready for both sides. Then I add my chapati up because I wanted the other side to be ready too. So I'll wait for it to cook. It's one of the easiest breakfast ideas you would want to make. Maybe when you are in a hurry, you want something heavy, you're going to work, and you want your tummy to feel a bit full. So you can even have it for lunch. So yeah, it's easy as that. So I'll wait for my egg to get ready because I love my easy. I love my egg well cooked. So you see, Rolex is ready. As you can see, that's how it looks like. Yeah, so I'm going to fold it because the Rolex you have to fold it to be a Rolex. Yes. So this is how you fold. And finally we have our Rolex. Rolex is ready, as you can see. It's time to enjoy, and I'm going to be serving mine with a cold drink. Yes, I know it's in the morning, but I just feel like I need this Rolex with cold Coke. So let me serve. So thank you for watching my video, and thank you for always coming back to watch. And please don't forget to watch this video until the end. I hope you got an idea how to make a morning breakfast that is so easy to make. And guys, see you next time. Until next time, stay tuned for more videos like this. Here we do travel and cooking vlogs. Yeah, feel welcome anytime. Till next time, we are out. Peace.